Welcome to the e-WBL at Home project courses, developed within the framework of the Erasmus Plus program funded by the European Union. Today marks the initiation of our journey with the first module, where we will explore the world of electronic work-based learning, or e-WBL. The project e-WBL at Home was funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are however those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the European Education and Culture Executive Agency, EACA. Neither the European Union nor EACA can be held responsible for them. Let's take a look at our agenda. First, we'll delve into the fundamental aspects by understanding the definition and significance of e-WBL. This will provide a solid foundation for comprehending its role in the realm of education and professional development. Next, we'll explore the distinctions between traditional work-based learning and e-WBL. This comparison will highlight how the integration of digital technologies transforms the learning experience. Afterwards, we'll embark on a journey through the history and evolution of e-WBL. Understanding the roots and progression of this innovative approach will provide insights into its development over time. Finally, we'll examine the advantages and challenges of e-WBL. This dual perspective will give us a comprehensive view of the benefits and considerations associated with electronic work-based learning. Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of e-WBL together. The definition and significance of e-WBL. Electronic work-based learning, or e-WBL, represents a contemporary educational paradigm at the intersection of traditional work-based learning and digital innovation. It is characterized by the seamless integration of digital technologies and online platforms into the conventional framework of work-based education. At its core, e-WBL adopts a multifaceted approach. Individuals actively participate in authentic work experiences while simultaneously engaging with a virtual learning environment. This combination aims to create a dynamic educational experience that merges practical, on-the-job training with the flexibility and accessibility provided by modern technology. In essence, e-WBL transforms the way individuals acquire skills and knowledge by leveraging the power of technology, marking a significant evolution in the field of work-based learning. The importance of e-WBL lies in its transformative capacity to revolutionize how individuals acquire skills and knowledge within a professional context. Here are key aspects that highlight its significance. Flexibility and accessibility. Enhanced learning experience. Adaptability to technological advances. Global collaboration. Cost-effective learning. Alignment with modern work environment. Flexibility and accessibility. e-WBL shatters temporal and spatial constraints, empowering learners to access educational content from any location and at any time. This level of flexibility is particularly valuable for working professionals and individuals with diverse schedules, fostering a more inclusive and adaptive learning environment. Enhanced learning experience. e-WBL takes learning to new heights through the integration of multimedia resources, interactive simulations, and virtual reality applications. This dynamic and immersive approach allows learners to engage with realistic workplace scenarios, providing a controlled digital environment for honing their skills. Adaptability to technological advances. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, e-WBL stands out for its seamless adaptation. As new tools and innovations emerge, e-WBL platforms can swiftly incorporate them, ensuring that learners stay abreast of the latest industry practices and technological advancements. Global collaboration. e-WBL transcends geographical boundaries, creating a conducive environment for global collaboration and networking. Learners have the opportunity to interact with peers, mentors, and industry experts from around the world, enriching their perspectives and gaining insights that reflect the diversity of a globalized workforce. Cost-effective learning. In comparison to traditional work-based learning models, e-WBL often emerges as a cost-effective solution. It eliminates the need for physical materials, reduces travel expenses, and minimizes logistical challenges associated with organizing in-person training sessions. This financial efficiency makes e-WBL an attractive option for both learners and organizations. Alignment with modern work environments. In an era dominated by remote work and digital communication, e-WBL aligns seamlessly with modern work environments. It equips individuals with the skills to navigate digital workspaces, collaborate virtually, and leverage technology for continuous professional development, ensuring they remain adaptable in today's rapidly changing workplace dynamics. As we conclude our exploration of e-WBL, it's imperative to emphasize the significance of understanding its definition and importance. Understanding the definition and significance of e-WBL is crucial for educators, employers, and learners alike. It lays the foundation for a paradigm shift in learning methodologies, marking a departure from traditional models. e-WBL represents a holistic approach that seamlessly combines the practicality of on-the-job experiences with the transformative power of digital technologies. This integration fosters a dynamic learning environment that adapts to the evolving needs of education and industry. Embracing e-WBL opens new avenues for skill development, fostering a culture of lifelong learning. It not only prepares individuals for current job requirements but also cultivates a globally connected and technologically literate workforce. As we move forward, it is this understanding that will drive the successful integration and implementation of e-WBL in educational institutions and workplaces, ensuring a future-ready approach to professional development. As we transition to a new section, let's explore the distinctions between traditional work-based learning and e-WBL. Traditional work-based learning. Location-centric. In traditional work-based learning, the experience is inherently location-centric. Learners are physically present at a workplace, immersing themselves in the day-to-day operations of an organization. This hands-on approach involves gaining practical experience within a specific physical location. In-person supervision. Learners in traditional work-based learning benefit from direct supervision and mentoring by on-site supervisors or experienced colleagues. Immediate feedback and guidance are readily available, contributing to quick skill development. Limited flexibility. The structure of traditional work-based learning tends to be rigid, with fixed schedules and limited flexibility. Learners are bound by the operational hours and location of the workplace, influencing the overall learning experience. Face-to-face interactions. Communication and collaboration in traditional work-based learning primarily occur through face-to-face interactions. Learners build relationships with colleagues, mentors, and peers through personal connections within the physical workspace. Now let's explore the distinctive features of e-work-based learning. Virtual engagement. In e-WBL, learners actively participate in work-based learning experiences through digital platforms and virtual environments. The physical location is not a constraint, enabling remote participation from various geographical locations. Digital supervision and feedback. Supervision and feedback in e-WBL are provided through digital means, utilizing online communication tools and virtual mentoring platforms. This may involve asynchronous interactions, allowing learners to receive guidance even outside traditional working hours. Flexibility in learning schedule. A significant departure from traditional models, e-WBL offers flexibility in learning schedules. Learners can access e-WBL modules and resources at their own pace, accommodating diverse schedules and personal commitments. Multimedia learning resources. The digital nature of e-WBL allows for the seamless integration of multimedia resources, simulations, and virtual reality. Learners engage with interactive content, fostering a dynamic and immersive learning experience unparalleled by traditional methods. Global collaboration. Unlike the localized nature of traditional work-based learning, e-WBL facilitates global collaboration. Learners can interact with colleagues and experts from different parts of the world, broadening their perspectives and enhancing cross-cultural communication skills. Technological literacy development. Participants in e-WBL not only acquire job-specific skills but also develop technological literacy. Navigating digital platforms, using online tools, and adapting to various technological advancements become inherent aspects of the learning process. These characteristics highlight the transformative nature of e-WBL, presenting a departure from the constraints of traditional work-based learning towards a more flexible, globally connected, and technologically enriched educational experience. As we conclude our comparison between traditional work-based learning and e-WBL, it's crucial for both educators and learners to recognize these differences. Recognizing these differences is crucial for educators and learners alike as they navigate the evolving landscape of work-based learning. It serves as a compass, guiding the adaptation of teaching methods and learning approaches to align with the changing dynamics of the educational environment. While traditional models provide a solid foundation, e-WBL introduces transformative elements that leverage the power of technology. This transformation enhances accessibility, flexibility, and the overall learning experience. Embracing these changes opens new possibilities for a more dynamic and adaptive approach to education and professional development. Moving forward, understanding these distinctions will empower both educators and learners to make informed decisions, embracing the strengths of both traditional and e-WBL models for a comprehensive and effective learning journey. Let's embark on the journey through the history and evolution of e-WBL. Starting with its early development. The history of e-WBL traces back to the late 20th century, a period marked by the rapid advancement of information and communication technologies, ICT. In the 1990s, these technological strides began transforming various aspects of society, including education. Early experiments with online courses and training modules during this time laid the groundwork for what would later evolve into e-WBL. As internet connectivity improved, educators and employers recognized the potential of combining work experiences with digital learning. This recognition became the catalyst for the development of a more versatile and accessible educational model. Moving forward in the evolution of e-WBL, let's explore the emergence of online learning platforms. Electronic work-based learning is a contemporary educational paradigm that integrates digital technologies and online platforms into the traditional framework of work-based learning. This paradigm encompasses a multifaceted approach where individuals actively engage in authentic work experiences while concurrently participating in a virtual learning environment. The essence of e-WBL lies in its ability to merge practical, on-the-job training with the flexibility and accessibility offered by modern technology. Online learning platforms emerged as a crucial component, facilitating this integration and setting the stage for the evolution of e-WBL into the innovative educational model we recognize today. Following the emergence of online learning platforms, the next phase involves the integration of multimedia and simulations. As technology continued to advance, the integration of multimedia elements and interactive simulations became a defining feature of e-WBL. This evolution aimed to replicate real-world work scenarios, providing learners with a more dynamic and immersive experience. The incorporation of virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) technologies further enhanced the authenticity of training simulations, bringing a new dimension to the learning process. In the 2010s, the proliferation of high-speed internet and the widespread adoption of digital devices played a pivotal role in the global expansion of e-WBL. Organizations recognized the potential for reaching a broader audience, transcending geographical limitations. This shift was particularly significant for multinational corporations seeking standardized training for a diverse, dispersed workforce. The intersection of technology, accessibility, and global reach marked a transformative phase in the evolution of e-WBL. Let's have a look at the impact of technological advancements and personalization. Recent years have witnessed continuous advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, ushering in personalized learning experiences within e-WBL. Adaptive learning platforms leverage data analytics to tailor content based on individual learner needs, optimizing engagement and knowledge retention. This personalization has significantly enhanced the effectiveness of e-WBL in addressing specific skill gaps. The history of e-WBL is not without challenges. Issues such as digital equity, data security, and the need for effective learner support systems have emerged. Educators and e-learning developers are actively refining and adapting e-WBL models to address these challenges. This ongoing refinement ensures a delicate balance between technological innovation and pedagogical effectiveness, laying the groundwork for a more robust e-WBL ecosystem. As we look to the future trajectory of e-WBL, what lies ahead is a landscape marked by continuous innovation. The integration of artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and collaborative online tools is poised to become more sophisticated, offering learners increasingly realistic and tailored experiences. The intersection of e-WBL with emerging technologies holds the potential to redefine the future of work-based learning, making it even more adaptable, engaging, and impactful on a global scale. As we anticipate the future, the history and evolution of e-WBL suggest a trajectory of ongoing innovation, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of contemporary education and professional development. As we delve into the advantages and challenges of e-WBL, let's begin by exploring its benefits. Flexibility. e-WBL provides learners with the flexibility to engage with educational content at their own pace and convenience, accommodating diverse schedules and individual learning preferences. This flexibility ensures that the learning experience is tailored to the unique needs of each participant. Accessibility. Learners can access e-WBL materials from virtually anywhere, breaking down geographical barriers and enabling participation from a global audience. This heightened accessibility promotes inclusivity, making education available to individuals regardless of their location or physical constraints. Another advantage is the enhanced learning experience. Multimedia integration. e-WBL transcends traditional learning methods by incorporating multimedia resources, simulations, and virtual reality. This integration creates a dynamic and immersive learning environment, enhancing the understanding and retention of complex concepts. Learners engage with interactive content that goes beyond the limitations of text-based materials. Real-world simulations. The use of virtual scenarios in e-WBL allows learners to practice and apply skills in a safe and controlled digital environment. These real-world simulations prepare them for actual workplace challenges, providing hands-on experience and fostering a deeper level of skill mastery. These advantages collectively position e-WBL as a powerful and innovative approach to learning in the digital age. Next advantage is the adaptability to technological advances, illustrated by the technological integration and the adaptive learning. Regarding technological integration, e-WBL systems can seamlessly incorporate new technologies and updates, ensuring that educational content remains current and aligned with industry trends. This adaptability to technological advances keeps learners at the forefront of emerging practices and innovations. About adaptive learning. The ability of e-WBL to personalize learning experiences based on individual progress and preferences contributes to more effective skill development. Adaptive learning ensures that learners receive tailored content, optimizing their educational journey. Then global collaboration is also identified as a e-WBL advantages since it breaks geographical barrier. Indeed, e-WBL facilitates collaboration and knowledge sharing among learners from diverse geographical locations. Breaking down geographical barriers, this global reach promotes cultural exchange, diversity, and the sharing of varied perspectives. Learners can engage in a truly global learning community. Last advantage attributed to e-WBL would be the cost-effective learning. Compared to traditional work-based learning, e-WBL often reduces costs associated with travel, accommodation, and physical materials. This cost-effectiveness makes it an attractive option for both learners and organizations, providing quality education without the financial burdens of traditional models. These advantages highlight how e-WBL not only adapts to technological advancements but also fosters a globally connected, cost-effective, and inclusive learning environment. e-WBL of course faces challenges. Let's begin with the first set of challenges related to technological barriers. One significant challenge is the digital divide, where not all learners may have access to the necessary technology or a reliable internet connection. This creates disparities in participation and learning outcomes, potentially excluding certain individuals from the benefits of e-WBL. The success of e-WBL relies on participants' digital literacy skills. This poses a challenge for those less familiar with technology, potentially hindering their ability to fully engage with and benefit from the e-WBL experience. The lack of face-to-face interaction can also be challenging. The absence of physical presence in e-WBL may limit the development of crucial interpersonal skills. Skills such as communication, teamwork, and conflict resolution are often best honed through face-to-face interactions. The challenge lies in finding effective ways to foster these skills within the digital learning environment, ensuring learners are well-equipped for real-world professional scenarios. Let's shift our focus to security and privacy concerns. One significant challenge in e-WBL involves the exchange of sensitive information, raising concerns about data security and privacy. Ensuring the secure transmission and storage of data is crucial to protect learners' privacy and maintain the integrity of the educational experience. Last challenge but not least is the need for self-discipline. e-WBL requires learners to be self-disciplined and self-motivated. The absence of a structured classroom environment may lead to distractions and reduced engagement. Successful e-WBL participants must cultivate a sense of self-motivation to navigate the challenges associated with remote learning. Learners engaging in e-WBL also need effective time management skills to balance work responsibilities and e-WBL commitments. The flexibility offered by e-WBL requires individuals to proactively manage their time to ensure productive and meaningful learning experiences. These challenges underscore the importance of addressing both technical and personal aspects to create a supportive e-WBL environment for learners. In conclusion, electronic work-based learning stands as a transformative educational approach, seamlessly blending real-world work experiences with digital technology. The significance of e-WBL lies in its ability to provide flexibility, accessibility, and innovative learning experiences through multimedia resources and virtual simulations. Recognizing the differences between traditional and e-WBL underscores the shift from physical, location-centric learning to a digital, flexible model. The advantages of e-WBL, including its adaptability to technological changes, cost-effectiveness, and global collaboration, are notable contributors to its success. However, challenges such as technological barriers, the absence of face-to-face interaction, and security concerns need careful consideration. As we move forward, the continuous refinement of e-WBL is crucial. Striking a balance between technological integration and addressing challenges is key for successful implementation. Embracing e-WBL opens new horizons for a more inclusive, accessible, and technologically literate approach to work-based learning, shaping the future of education and professional development.